This bumper's got these tabs right here. These require these big clips. So I'll put those guys in first. Okay, now this thing requires a bunch of nuts and bolts. So what I like to do is get this thing up here. Kind of rough it in there with the one hand, and then see these holes I was telling you about on the sides? If you put one clip there and one right here and hold it so you don't have to fight it. And make sure that you see these flaps where I was telling you about that hole that goes right here. That's where that is. So you can put one more there, here. All right. So down here, these guys. Oh, see the old one I ripped out? It's got a number 12 right here. They're held on by 4 12s. Let me put this last clip in over here. And then I'll show you guys what 12 is missing. There's a special type of 12. I have a little lip to them. The old one is right here. See? Old broken one. Got the new one. And I like to give this up like this, because then it pushes it up a little more so it doesn't sag. And then there's 2 more in the front. Right in the front. So you push this forward some more, and if you push and tighten this, and then push and tighten that, it'll suck this plastic up a little more than usual, which will be better for the this plastic. Boom. This thing is solid. You got 2 12s back here and 2 12s in the front, and then 3 of those big clips on this side, 3 on that side. We're missing one more right there. That's how I put one of these guys on. This is the belly pan cover, oil pan cover. I don't know. You can call it whatever you want to call it, but it does serve a purpose. So that's it. Watch the rest of our stuff. If you need a video made, you don't know how to do something, write to us. We'll make it sometime.